Sometimes your body feels things it shouldn't, like pain that just won't quit, or shakiness that shows up even when you're sitting still, or maybe a weird, crawling feeling in your legs that keeps you up all night. When your nerves act up, life gets tougher. But what if one small pill could help quiet all that noise? That's what gabapentin is made for. Gabapentin helps calm overactive nerves. Think of your nerves like tiny wires sending messages through your body. When those wires start firing too fast or too often, your brain gets overloaded. That's when you feel pain, tingling, shaking, or just off. Gabapentin steps in like a calming voice, telling those nerves, hey, slow down, you're okay. And once your nerves settle, you start feeling more like yourself again. There are 6 key benefits of gabapentin that everyone should know. And honestly, number 5 is my favorite. Let's study them one by one. 1. It helps control seizures. When the brain signals fire off too fast, it can trigger seizures, those sudden, uncontrollable movements. Gabapentin helps slow down those misfiring signals, making seizures less frequent and more manageable. For people with epilepsy or certain brain conditions, that can be life-changing. 2. It eases nerve pain. Not all pain comes from an injury you can see. Sometimes, your nerves send pain signals, even when nothing's actually wrong. That's called nerve pain, and it can feel like burning, stabbing, or tingling, like pins and needles that won't go away. Gabapentin helps stop those false signals, so you don't feel pain your body shouldn't be feeling in the first place. 3. It helps after shingles. Shingles is painful enough when the rash is there. But for many people, the pain doesn't stop even after the rash fades. That lingering nerve pain is called postherpetic neuralgia, and gabapentin is one of the go-to treatments doctors use to help people feel normal again after shingles. 4. It reduces restless legs at night. If you've ever felt like your legs were crawling or twitching just when you're trying to fall asleep, you know how frustrating it is. That's restless leg syndrome, and gabapentin can calm those sensations so you can finally relax and get some rest. 5. It may help with anxiety. Here's my personal favorite. While gabapentin isn't officially made for anxiety, many doctors use it when other treatments fall short. It gently calms the nervous system, helping people feel more balanced and less overwhelmed without the intensity of stronger meds. 6. It's easy to take. Gabapentin comes in pill, capsule, or even liquid form. Most people take it 2 or 3 times a day. There's no complicated routine. Just follow your doctor's instructions and give it some time. It doesn't work instantly, but within a couple of weeks, many people start to feel the difference. We all know that every medicine has its benefits and its effects. So now let's look at the 3 main side effects of gabapentin. But heads up, if you miss the third one, you could miss something really important. 1. It can make you sleepy or dizzy. Gabapentin slows down your nerves, and sometimes that means your whole system feels slower, especially when you're just getting started or if your dose increases. You might feel foggy, tired, or lightheaded. The good news, it usually fades after a few days. But if it doesn't, let your doctor know. A small dose adjustment might be all it takes. 2. It may cause swelling or weight gain. Some people notice their hands, feet, or legs getting puffy. That's water retention, and it can also lead to a bit of weight gain. It's not super common, and things like drinking more water, moving around, or wearing loose clothes can help. But again, if it's bothering you, bring it up with your doctor. 3. It can affect your mood. Here's the one you really don't want to ignore. For a small number of people, gabapentin can mess with your emotions. That might mean feeling more sad, more irritated, or even having unusual thoughts that don't feel like you. If that happens, please speak up. Your mental health matters just as much as your physical health. Gabapentin isn't the right fit for everyone. But for many people, it works when nothing else does. Whether you're dealing with nerve pain, seizures, or anxiety, it offers quiet support when your nerves are too loud. Give it a little time. Most people feel the full effects after 2 to 3 weeks. And if something doesn't feel right, say something. You and your doctor are a team. Your voice matters. Thanks for watching. If this helped you understand gabapentin a little better, give it a like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more simple, honest health talk.